Future weapons of Saudi Arabia. F-35 Lightning II, national origin, United States, role, stealth multi-role fighter, status, unknown. Sukhoi Su-57, national origin, Russia, role, stealth multi-role fighter, status, unknown. Thunder II or Grom II, place of origin, Saudi Arabia and Ukraine, type, short-range ballistic missile system, expected, in service 2022. THAAD, place of origin, United States, type, anti-ballistic missile system, expected, in service 2022. S-400 Triumph, place of origin, Russia, type, air defense system, expected, in service 2022. RGM-84L Harpoon Block II, place of origin, United States, type, anti-ship missile, expected, in service 2022. Arleigh Burke class, place of origin, United States, type, guided missile destroyer, expected, in service 2024. Avant 2000, place of origin, Spain, type, corvette, expected, in service 2022. Freedom class, place of origin, United States, type, littoral combat ship, expected, in service 2026. MKV Special Operations Craft, place of origin, United States, type, patrol boat, expected, in service 2022. Thanks for watching, subscribe my channel, share this video, like this video and comment.